Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia lightweight vacuum cleaner arrives as another example of the brand's ability to balance affordability, everyday practicality, and clean modern design. Priced at just 359 yuan, it enters the market as an ultra-budget cleaning tool, but one that surprisingly does not compromise on performance or ease of use. Xiaomi has built a reputation for smart, functional home appliances, and this new vacuum fits neatly into that philosophy, giving users a straightforward solution for everyday messes. Despite the low price, the vacuum delivers a level of suction power that feels more in line with mid-range handheld models. Its 110,000 revolutions per minute motor produces up to 22,000 pascals, enough to pull dust, crumbs, loose debris, and hair from hard floors and narrow spaces. Xiaomi clearly designed it for daily maintenance rather than intense deep cleaning, but its suction strength is more than sufficient for routine upkeep in small apartments, bedrooms, dorm rooms, and workspaces. One of the vacuum's standout traits is its extremely lightweight build. Main unit weighs just 860 grams, making it lighter than most handheld vacuums on the market. This is a device that can be lifted with ease, carried upstairs without fatigue, and used comfortably for long periods without strain. The weight distribution allows it to glide smoothly across floors, and because it's so light, the vacuum is flexible enough for reaching awkward angles or higher surfaces like shelves and curtains. Xiaomi includes two cleaning heads to extend the vacuum's versatility. First is a slim floor brush designed to slip under furniture while maintaining consistent suction. Xiaomi also engineered it to reduce hair tangling, which is often a frustrating issue with budget vacuums. Second attachment is 2-in-1 crevice tool, built for tight spots such as couch seams, window tracks, corners, car interiors, and even keyboards. Battery performance is respectable considering the vacuum's size and price. It houses four 2,000 mAh lithium-ion cells that deliver up to 40 minutes of runtime in standard mode, which is ample for small to medium cleaning sessions. For tougher dust buildup, carpets, or concentrated areas, a high-power mode runs for about 10 minutes, giving a short but effective boost. The Mijia lightweight vacuum cleaner incorporates a 5-layer filtration system that includes a cyclone chamber, metal mesh filter, sponge layer, HEPA element, and motor protection pad. This setup is capable of trapping 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, limiting dust from recirculating back into the room. Xiaomi recommends letting them dry completely for 24 hours before reassembling the unit to maintain longevity and performance. Usability is kept intentionally simple. The vacuum features one-touch controls for switching cleaning modes and powering the device on or off. The oval-shaped handle is ergonomically shaped to provide a better grip and reduce fatigue, which complements the overall lightweight design. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia lightweight vacuum cleaner is an appealing option for anyone seeking an affordable, efficient, and easy-to-use cleaning tool. It is not meant to replace a full-size vacuum for large homes or deep carpet cleaning, but for everyday messes, small living spaces, or secondary convenience use, it offers impressive value. Its combination of strong suction for its class, portability, thoughtful filtration, and modern Xiaomi design makes it a highly practical budget purchase that should satisfy most casual users looking for simple, reliable performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.